So in the last video, we have learned how to save the cart items on our database. Let us now reload the page once. We will see two products over here. One is a course and the other one is a product. Okay, so we can see these things. Now let us go here and we will now at first be designing the checkout page and then we will make the checkout function. Let us now go to the IDE. Now following the design of the home page, create the UI of the checkout page and then make the checkout function. All right. For the time being, add only bank transfer, no online payment, and enter. Okay, so for the time being, we just want to check out the enter functionality. All right, so we won't be doing the payment integration like Razor Pay or Stripe or maybe PayPal. We will simply be testing the enter flow using bank transfer. All right, let us go here. We can even go to the browser and check the orders table. The AI already created the order table here. I can see the ID, then user ID, then total amount created at order items and type is user. And if I go to the order items, I can see ID, order ID, product ID, course ID, course, order, and product. So I think these two columns are not that mandatory. Okay, perfect. Let us go here and click on proceed to checkout. I think it still did not create the checkout page. Okay, so I can now see the checkout page. Let us go here and we can see the checkout page under pages. Let us now go to the front end and click on proceed to checkout. I think the link has not been done. Let us try it manually, checkout. We can see one empty page. The elements of the checkout page has not been done till now. Okay, we will go back now, reload the page, and then click on checkout. Now the link has been added, but the function of the checkout is still not working perfectly. Your users can now seamlessly go from browsing to purchasing with a professional bank-ready checkout experience. All right. So let me now go here and then we will go to checkout. We will then click on proceed to checkout. It is not working. So we will terminate the process and run npm run dev once again. Let us now see this page is still not working. Showing a blank page. All right, so let us now try to go to the home page and we will go to courses. We will add another course and we can see the number has been updated. The total has also been updated. And if I go here, I can see the checkout page is not yet done. Yes, I can now see the checkout page, review your products, then the bank transfer. Okay, and then if I click on complete purchase, we can see order received. Please complete your payment and go to my dashboard. So here I have to do a few more things. If I now go in the checkout, in the checkout, we need personal details like name, email, phone, country, state, address. Okay, at least we need these details. We will now go to courses. Okay, let us go to the dashboard and we can see in the dashboard there are 4 products, but all the products which are listed over here are treated as courses. We have to do this thing in the correct way. Okay, so let us now go to courses and then I will be adding this course. And then I will go to marketplace. I will add this product. Now I will go to the cart, click on checkout, and here I want the form so that if anyone wants to change the details like his name, email ID, phone number, he should be able to do it. So this is a wonderful design. Okay. So the design that we are creating is very, very professional. So everything we are doing step by step, right from setting up the project. All right, let me now go to proceed to checkout. I can see the name, my email ID, and then let us add a phone number over here, then country. Uh, we want to give the drop down of the country, okay? If country drop down and add all countries. Okay, let us now pre-populate the country drop-down option. We will wait for a few minutes till the AI updates the list of the country in this box. Okay, so let us now accept it, and we can add more countries over here. Let us now reload it, then the phone number, then the country, state, address, and if I click on complete the process, we can see that the order has been successfully placed. We will now go to orders, and here we can see that the order details of the personal details are still not saved. We will go to order items. Everything is now been saved, but the personal details of the order is not saved in the DB. So let us now tell personal details of the checkout still not saved in the DB. Let us save it in the DB, and we will be completing the checkout process. Now let us go to the courses. I will add a course now, and then I will go to the marketplace. I will add a product, and then I will go to checkout. Let us now click on proceed. We will have to wait for a few more minutes till it gets completed. Till then, we can go to the Neon DB and check the orders table. We can see the orders table has not been updated till now. Or maybe we should reload the page once. Order items, orders. insert into orders. Yes. So everything is been inserted over here. Yes, now I can see the customer phone, then the country, everything in this way. Let us now select all these records and delete it from the database. We will now go to our front end. Let us now click on complete purchase. We can see the order has now been received. We will go to the backend, to the database, and see whether the order has been saved or not. Yes, we can see the IDs, user ID, total amount, then the phone number, customer country, state, everything has now been saved here. Now we will go to the dashboard and we will see the orders over here. Okay, so in the next class, we will now design the dashboard screen so that all the codes and all the courses and all the codes are being aligned according to the category. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next lecture.